Hey, this is Christy Mattoon here from Mind Rewire. Can I ask you a question? Do you know who programmed you? Do you know what you're programmed with? Most people think that their subconscious programming is because of something their parents did. Most people, when they're trying to change subconscious programming, are trying to change something from their childhood, something that they think happened because of something they learned how to believe, or acted on because of something their parents did. What would happen if you found out that all of your subconscious programming, probably most of it, isn't from your parents? But what happened if you knew that your subconscious programming comes from somewhere else too? That the things that you're programmed with and the things that you have locked in your system could be hard to get rid of because you're not going after the right source. And here's what I'm talking about here is sources like the media, right? Television, movies, radio, the songs you listen to over and over. What are you being programmed by? Now, I remember when I was growing up that we were taught that that was just like a bunch of hokum. It was a conspiracy, right? To keep us from listening to our favorite music, to keep us from watching our favorite movies. Here's what we're understanding now is that there truly is something going on underneath all of this, or on top of all of it, that's giving us programming and messaging through these channels, through these authorities. And it may not be the programming that you want. My guess is it's probably not. What happens in the subconscious mind is when you get all of this downloaded into your system, it locks your system up, right? From the subconscious to every cell of your body, the things that you think you know, the things that you think you believe, the things that you think are part of your life, things that you think you created as part of your life, and then you fight with and you struggle with. Do you know what I'm talking about? Is this making any sense? So here's what this is. This is a 3-series, a masterclass, we'll call it, on deprogramming and decluttering that kind of programming. This isn't going to be on the parental stuff. It isn't going to be on your childhood angst or your trauma from your childhood. This is going to be on the higher level programming, excuse me, that probably runs way deeper than you have any idea. We're going to go after media. We're going to go after TV, radio, all of the stuff that you've watched, seen, and heard over numerous years that have caused you to be programmed the way you are. We're going to go after the government, right? The stuff that we're programmed to think because of what the government has told us for years. Religious organizations, same thing. What have you been programmed with that isn't necessarily helping your journey? All right. How about Big Pharma? How about that? How about the Western Organization of Medicine? What have you been programmed by? Now, here's who this is for. This is for you only if you have already done work around this. If you've done work to try and deprogram your subconscious, but you still find these weird little places where you're just stuck and you can't quite figure out what it is, it could be something from one of these sources. All right? If you have tried and succeeded in deprogramming things, but you know there's more and you want more, if you're still working on doing whatever the project is, right, inside yourself, for yourself, about yourself, this is for you, right? We're going to raise up in our own spirits, in our vibration, find that harmonic that blasts this stuff out of our systems, right? It's time to release it. And this is beyond releasing it. It's about reprogramming the system the way you want it to. So I'm going to teach you how to use a whole brain state, kind of like the way psych-k uses it, but without muscle testing and without all the protocol. I'm going to teach you the super skinny easy of it. I'm going to teach you how to use heart coherence, the way an angel showed me how to use it through the ladder of awareness. And I'm going to show you how to use these two things to start to get rid of and loosen up this programming of whatever you want to call it. I don't want to say the wrong buzzwords here, of the deep programming that you've gotten from media, from the big pharma companies, from the religious institutions, from the government institutions. We want to get rid of that programming. So this is open Your DNA can receive new information, and you can truly start to ignite the light that's inside of you and be that person in this plane of existence that you want to be, right? And you can do what you want to do. That's the key to this. That's what we're supposed to be doing, I believe, in this period of time and in this plane of existence, is finding ourselves. It's about you. Who are you? How much attention have you paid to you during this period of time? My guess is probably a lot. And so if this sounds like it's a fit for you, I want you to click the link below and sign up for this 3-session masterclass. It's going to be over the course of a number of days. We're going to do one area at a time. And I'm going to teach you how to use the protocols and then how to use them in regards to what we're doing and talking about. If that sounds like something you want, click below. Sign up now, because once it's full, it's full. I can only hold 100 people in this class. So once it's full, it's full. I bless you. I'm excited to teach you. I'm excited to work with you. And more than that, I'm excited to hear what you get from participating in this little course. Thank you very much.